Deleting a budgeting app, what really happens?
Uninstalling a budgeting app from your device may seem like it erases your financial data. However, simply deleting the app usually only removes it from your phone or tablet. Many apps store your data on their servers, meaning your personal and financial information could still exist even after you've hit delete.
Data stored beyond your device.
Budgeting apps typically sync your information to cloud servers. This can include transaction histories, account details, budgets, and even linked bank credentials. Even if the app is gone from your device, these details may still be accessible on the company's online systems, unless you take further steps.
The app's privacy policy matters.
Every budgeting app has its own policy about data retention. Some may keep your data for a defined period. Others might retain it unless you explicitly request deletion. It's important to review the app's privacy policy or help section to learn what the company does with your information after uninstalling.
How to fully erase your data.
To truly erase your data, you'll need to delete your account, not just uninstall the app. Look for options like delete account or close account within the app or on the provider's website. This usually triggers removal of your data from their servers, but you may need to contact customer support for confirmation.
Protecting your privacy going forward.
Practicing good digital hygiene is essential. Before using any new budgeting app, check its data deletion procedures and privacy commitments. After uninstalling, always follow up to ensure your data has been erased. Keeping records of what apps you've used helps you manage your personal information more securely.